Okay, we have right here my resin. This is the one I'm using, amazing. And I have my two resins right here, A and B. And what I'm gonna do right here, I'm just gonna make sure that I use the same amount. It's really, really important to use the same. And to do that, I usually wait. I usually weight my amounts. Make sure that you always wear your gloves to avoid skin irritation, and also open a window, have some sort of ventilation, and a respirator if you have it. Okay, let's start right here, and I'm gonna do probably 5 and 5 or 10 and I'm gonna do, well, I did a little bit too much right there, 16. So now I'm gonna do the other one and make sure that I have 32 in total. And this is B. Make sure that you wear your gloves. It's very, very important. Also that you have ventilation in here. All right, so I have my parts the same. So now I'm just gonna mix them. Okay, I'm gonna start just putting a little bit in here. And I am doing a very, very thin film, because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do my other one right after. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go and spread. Even with your stick, you can just spread it like this. On Tuesday, there's going to be a special election for a House District 24 representative. This district includes people in the eastern. You spread it well in a way that is balanced. Kind of push it a little bit. And then I'm going to do the outside frame. And for that, I'm going to do the same amount. Okay, I have this lamp that probably, it's only 60. It only has 60 seconds or 120 seconds, but it's okay. It kind of just helps me accelerating the process. It's fine. It's okay. So I just leave it like that for 120 seconds. And as you can see right here, I had a little bit left, so I'm gonna do this one. I still have to do the other one. So I'm just gonna keep it like that until this one is dry. Then I'm gonna do another, my second, and I'm gonna be doing more resin. I'm not gonna do it just now because I don't wanna waste. I have my logo right here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna size it. So I want it a little bit bigger than 3.8. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do 3.9, and I'm gonna just place it a little bit. I'm gonna center my name a little bit right there, and then I'm gonna start printing. I have my design right here, and I actually have to make it smaller. So in order for you to be able to measure, just kind of put your design and make sure that you have your numbers right here. Check your rulers, and that way that will give you a better idea. Okay. I'm gonna share my premium glossy. I'm gonna do high, and I'm gonna go to I turn off the bi-directional printing, but I do have the Adobe RGB 343, and then I have my density at 5, and I'm gonna go here and make sure that my density matches. All right, so 5.5, density 5. After printing with the other paper that I showed you before, I found that it was really, really liquidy, and the sticker were kind of, the ink was
just melting through the whole paper. So it was going to be really hard for me to be able to do the resin on top of that. So I decided to go to Koala, which is this one right here that I'm showing you. This one is Koala brand. I do like Koala for other ones. I did not have any experience using clear sticker paper with Koala, but this one is the one that finally worked. So I'm going to link it down below. That way you have it, okay? This one printed nice and vivid color, very nice, and it was not just kind of smearing through the whole paper. Okay, here are my frames right here. I gotta tell you, I struggled a little bit with this one. This one works perfectly. So this is a great choice if you don't have a way for people to pay for the credit card or debit card system. This is a great choice. And that way you're not showing your phone, or people are not waiting for you to really to pay. That way you're not making them wait, and easy. It works, and they can pay you. So anyways, I hope I was helpful. And if you do make them, I'm gonna be linking all the materials that I use, and good luck. Let me know how we went, and let me know, which one works best for you. For me right now, this is the one that wins. Probably I'll be making more with this, specifically with this one, versus the other one. Or if I find a way to fix it, then probably that will be the one. But other than that, this works best. And I ended up using this paper versus the other one. It was liquidy. It was just not working out. It was just not working out. Everything, the ink, when it was running all over the place, very runny ink. And for this, I used the same settings and everything. And my papers were great. The colors were great. And the codes, which is the most important thing, they work. So anyways, let me know if you make them, and let me know how you did. Thank you for watching.